In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add footnotes in Google Docs. Whether you're working on an essay, a research project, or you simply want to keep your document looking clean and professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Footnotes are super helpful because they give your readers extra context without cluttering the main text, and adding them in Google Docs is easier than you might think. First, open your Google Docs document and place your cursor exactly where you want the footnote to appear. This is usually at the end of a sentence or after a specific word you want to reference. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Insert in the top menu bar. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Footnote from the drop-down menu. You'll see Google Docs instantly drop you to the bottom of the page and create a numbered space for your note. This number automatically links to the exact spot in your text where you placed your cursor, super convenient for keeping everything organized. Now type whatever information you need, a source, an explanation, a definition, or any extra detail that supports your content. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're using consistent referencing throughout your document, double-check your cursor placement before inserting the footnote, and be sure your formatting matches your academic or professional style guide. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, scroll back up and continue writing as usual. After that, you should be able to add as many footnotes as you need without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to preview your document in print layout view. This helps ensure your footnotes appear clearly and neatly on the page. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your information well organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add footnotes in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?